That's the last time I drink Shine. I decided to order a cake because I was all lit up. And I'll be damned, I almost finished it. Yeah, that's right. That's a 2-foot cake. Plus. And I got all lit up and ate most of it. Not much left. Because you all motherfuckers know I ain't got no friends to share it with. So I bought a big sheet cake, about 24, 25 inches by 18 to 20 inches, and I ate that motherfucker. I drank a lot and I ate a lot. Let me see you all motherfuckers do that. This is something that not all of you haters together are capable of doing. This is the awesomeness of Bubbles and Bouncer Slab. Suck it!